Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today I've got a mini unboxing or unbagging, if you might call it. This I just received this, and as you can see I've already split it open and you can see something peeking out. So without further ado, let's dive into it and see what it is. So this is just the invoice. I'll just move this aside. Now, ta-da! This is wobbles, and this is the cute little amigurumi that I got. So this the wobbles.com is the site, and they have these pre-made kits for these tiny cute little amigurumis, and they provide all the necessary material that is required. So let's just open and see what we got. Ooh, I can see a crochet hook sticking up. So this is a very neat bag, you can see. So the first thing that popped out is obviously the crochet hook, and it is 4 millimeters. It's pretty nice. This is the polyfill. This is the scan code for the amigurumi tutorial, and you have to have certain password to access it. So every different scan card or different kit might have a different password. This is the yarn. It's a nice cotton yarn, and they've already got me started on the first row. It's very kind of them, and they've provided with 3 stitch markers, as you can see. And we also have a white, because we need white for our penguin. I believe there should be a yellow. There it is. It's a yellow. So they've got a blue, a little yellow, and a little bit of white. And we also have these eyes. These eyes with everything. So everything is provided in this pack or this kit, and very neatly packed and very neatly done. So I will provide the details of the site in the description box, if in case you would like to hop on over and see. So I will get right into making this and show you in my next video the tutorial for it, or maybe just the video. All right, okay then, thank you so much for watching. Please like this video, subscribe to my channel, and share it with all your friends. And thank you so much for stopping by. Have a nice day.